How is it that watoto 17 wanakufa? How is it? How is it that 17 kids, 21 now, and the people who rush there first are politicians and not pastors? How? How is it that they are saying that the emergency door was locked from outside? Those kids, I said this, it was not an accident. You must get angry. Maybe you're not angry because your relative is not there and your child is not there. But imagine those screams. Kids dying painfully, screaming for their mothers and fathers. Watchman is nowhere to be seen. And then someone the next day goes and gives a demonic altar an offering because the job has been done. Imagine, and then all you're doing is bringing those parents rice and beans and meat. That woman just says, I don't want this. She said in Kikuyu, says, all I want is my child. Well, occupy. Let's have our schools. Let's have our schools. Let's have our supermarkets where we'll say no alcohol is being sold. Let's have our schools where we say before every lesson the teacher must pray. A few years ago I was looking for a school for my daughter. So I went to a few schools and one told me, you know, there are speakers in every class. So what we do in the morning before the lesson starts, we play music and then they do yoga. I said goodbye. This is where it ends. But the school has many students because the owner says we can do yoga, which is a demonic activity. Do we own schools? Where are they? Why would kids die like that? It means the people who are supposed to be taking over that place to pray are not fighting some demonic forces.